Hi, dear Scorpios. How are you guys doing? So, this is a general love reading till the end of Feb from today to till the end of 28 Feb, till the end of Feb. Sorry. So, let's quickly tap into your partner's energy and your energy, and let's see what is coming towards you. Okay. So, your partner's energy right now is the Four of Wands. So, what I feel is your partner is celebrating something. They are in the celebration mode. They are either celebrating a marriage or a commitment or something like that, or engagement or something like that. So basically right now they are in the celebration mode. They are happy go lucky type of energy, and they are like, okay, they are living in the moment right now. Okay, Scorpio. And your energy right now is the Eight of Cups. What I feel is you are walking away from something, Scorpio, or maybe you are walking away from a relationship that is no longer working out for you, that is no longer making you happy, but rather it is making you feel burdened or something like that. So you are walking away from your person or this relationship, and you are no longer feeling happy in this relationship. So you are considering walking away from this relationship. How your partner sees you? Your partner sees you as a star. They see you as a person who is very beautiful, very hopeful, very positive energy, very mature. For them you are the star. For them you are the star of their little world. Okay, so for them you are very hopeful and peaceful and beautiful person. Okay, on the other hand, how you feel your partner is, how you see your partner as a Temperance. You see your partner as a person who is not able to balance their emotions. Sometimes they are very emotional, sometimes they are like very off and cold, sometimes they are very happy, sometimes very sad. So you feel, maybe basically you feel like your partner needs to balance out their emotions, and then they should talk to you, then they should come into a relationship with you. You feel like your partner is very needy and moody. Okay, and how they feel about this relationship, this is a Seven of Cups energy. So basically, Scorpio, I feel like your partner has a lots of options, have a lots of options, and you are one of them, one of the options to them. I might be wrong, but either they are very very confused about you in their life, that or they are having a lots of option in their life, or they are having multiple options in their life regarding the relationship thing, regarding the love thing. So basically they are very very confused about you, Scorpio. So they are not in the mood of, maybe in the mood of, or maybe they are not stable enough emotionally or mentally, that they should decide that you are the only one for them. Right now they are in very very confused state of mind. How you feel about this relationship is the Ten of Swords. So basically I think you are walking away from this relationship. You are feeling like somebody stabbed you in the back end, somebody took advantage of you, or you are ending this relationship. Basically from your side, energetically you are ending this relationship. Maybe you are talking to this person, but energetically you are moving away from this relationship, and the worst is over. Let me tell you a good thing, that the worst is over. This is the worst that could happen to a person or a relationship, in a relationship or something. But the worst is over, and you are going to enter a new phase in your life that is going to be happy, and will bring you mental clarity and emotional healthiness as well. Okay, what they want from this relationship, this is the Two of Pentacles energy. Basically I told you they are very very confused. So what they want from this relationship is, they want to end this confusion. They want to take a firm decision, that uh, they feel like, okay, I want to take a decision today or tomorrow or whenever, in the near future. They want this relationship to work out. Basically they like you. Maybe you are one of the options, but they like you as a person very very much. They feel like you are very positive, very hopeful, very beautiful person, and they want to take a relation to and they want to take a decision about this relationship. They will take some time, I feel like that. But right now I don't feel that they are stable enough to take a decision, okay, about you, Scorpio. To be very clear, to be very honest. And what you want from this relationship, Queen of Swords, you want the clarity, you want the answer, you want what you want, you know what you want from this relationship or any relationship in your life, and you are very very clear about things. So maybe you have communicated with them, and you have delivered the message to them that you want this relationship to work out in this particular manner, or you want this relationship to be stable and honest and open, and whatever it is, you want what you want. Okay, Scorpio, Scorpios are anyway like this only. So they want what they want, and this is your energy only, Queen of Swords energy. You want this relationship to work out, you want the mental clarity, and you are gaining it by the grace of universe. You are gaining the mental clarity, you are gaining the strength to walk away from this relationship, because what I feel is they are treating you as an option and you are walking away from them, and that is making them very very confused and very very dejected. They are feeling like, okay, mentally stressed, emotionally drained, so they are kind of feeling dejected right now. They are hell lot of confusion is going on in their life. Okay, the outcome from their side is the seven of swords. What I can feel is, Scorpio, you should take a step back, because this person right now is not showing their true colors to you, not showing their true intention. They are hiding something from you, maybe emotionally, maybe mentally, or physically. I don't know, but there is something that is hidden from you. That there is something that will come out in open, and you will get the information about this relationship or this person, and that will going to shock you a little bit, maybe, or maybe they will come out of every kind of bonding or ties, and they will come straight to you, because they have to make a decision. Okay, so the time will tell. I don't know, this is not a particular message for you guys, but I feel like this person is hiding something from you. Maybe they are hiding the true emotions for you, but that emotions, that hiding thing will come out in open to by the end of Feb, and you will get to know, you will get the mental clarity, you will get the open and honest conversation with this person. Okay, and the page of cups from your side, the outcome is the page of cups, the happy news. There will be some kind of happy news, or there will be some kind of news coming to you. It is regarding your love life only, it is regarding your personal life only, that is going to make you happy. But I feel like this is kind of immature energy. This is the start of something new, this is start of something beautiful, but this is kind of immature energy. It is not in the mature state right now. Okay, communication will come to you guys. You guys will communicate well with each other, but there will be a new start as well. But I don't think it is going to be straight, going to be a relationship straight away. Okay, the guidance for the potential of this relationship on in the long term potential is the seven of pentacles. If you want this relationship to work out, you have to wait. You have done everything right, you did everything that you could, so you should stop doing anything, and you should just wait for the right time, or wait for the right moment, or right universal timing to get things done, or to get a beautiful relationship with this particular person on your mind. Okay, and yeah, the guidance from the universe is the page of swords. Page of swords is there, and queen of swords was also there in your reading. So the universe is telling you, don't you know I think your mind should play the role of your heart right now. You were taking every decision with your heart in the past maybe, so you should gain the mental clarity. You should work with your mind right now, not with your heart. This is the guidance from the universe. The universe is telling you, work with your mind rather than your heart, Scorpio. It will help you out. Okay, and let me pull one more card for you guys. I'm sorry for the noise in the background. It is, yeah, I know, it is kind of disturbing. Okay, so what is coming to you? You should do what you should do is you should you should be in the paradise. So in the paradise you should be happy, you should expand things, you should feel joy, have playfulness, oneness, enjoying each other. So it is kind of after the honest communication, I'm telling you, this is going to happen with you guys. So this is you should do. Okay, this is what you should do. If you can read it, please read it 3-4 times, so that you will gain the mental clarity about things. Okay, so that's all about you, Scorpios. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you, and namaste, and lots of blessing to you. Namaste. Do subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comment section below about my reading. Thank you. God bless you. Namaste.